Hello, welcome to Food and Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stuffed pork loin. Hang on and I'll show you how we're going to do that. Okay, so we have a 3-pound pork loin, 2 packets of bacon, a bit of horseradish, some spinach, some shredded mozzarella. This is going to be quick. I'm going to cut that to pieces, trim it off a little bit, and then fill it with the cheese, the mozzarella, and the horseradish. Okay, so we're going to start off by getting rid of the silver skin and excess fat on the surface of this, because I don't really want it in there. Okay, so we're going to cut this, try to make it as long as possible so we can get a lot of stuff in there. It's going to be hard to show you how to do that. I'm going to go in about a 1/4 inch up. I have to do it from this side because I'm right-handed, at least when doing this. And then I'm going to keep going. I think that's going to be good enough. Okay, and then I'm going to have to peel and grate this horseradish. Okay, so I'm going to grate this on the fine side. I think that's enough. It's strong stuff, my eyes are watering. It's about 3 tablespoons. And then we're going to put that on the meat. First I'm going to season the inside with just salt, pepper and garlic. Like so. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of horseradish on there. We're going to add the spinach on top of this. Like so. Some mozzarella. I would say I'm using about 1/2 cup of grated mozzarella, or none at all. Yeah, 1/2 cup. So I'm going to start out by making that. I think 1 piece might be too short, but anyway, bacon weave, you've seen it done before. Roll this up. I'm going to start from, I'm going to have to show you this. It's a little bit thinner on this side, so I'm actually going to start here. Trying not to make too big of a mess. And there we go. So I've got the seam on the bottom here. And then I need to put this on the bacon weave. I think I'm going to start on this side. And I'm going to roll it the same way I did just now. And there we go. Now we're just going to transfer this to the pan and put it in the oven. There we go. I actually have 2 pieces left. I'll just put them on top. Something like that. There we go. see what we've got here. There we go, stuffed pork loin with spinach and horseradish. Let's try it out. That is so juicy. And sprinkling a little bit of horseradish on top, that was the right move. This is really, really good. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.